This video explains the control functions of the Nexus Pathfinder Two Box metal detector, and how to use the Easy Start factory preset. The Pathfinder control functions consists of the volume control, combined with an on-off switch, threshold, discrimination, ground balance, sensitivity level, in 2 steps, ion rejection, battery test. The Pathfinder has an Easy Start factory preset. This setting is made simply by turning all the toggle switches and rotary controls to the white stripes. Set the ground balance to 0. The Nexus Pathfinder is now set and ready for search.